At Mayo Clinic, researchers are harnessing the power of 3D bioprinters to produce precise models of human tissues. These models are not just for study, they could one day lead to therapies for complex diseases. Imagine a future where medical imaging not only diagnoses, but also creates human tissue for treatment. This revolutionary concept is becoming a reality through 3D bioprinting, a technology that could reshape medicine as we know it. 3D bioprinters are like the 3D printers that make plastic toys. Instead, they use biocompatible materials with living cells to build three-dimensional tissue structures. Dr. Kevin Dicker explains that bioprinters are accelerating research in tissue engineering, allowing scientists to mimic the mechanics of human organs, muscle, and cartilage. This process begins with a digital blueprint, often from MRI or CT scans, guiding the bioprinter to precisely place bioinks layer by layer. These bioinks contain living cells, hydrogels, and growth factors, replicating the complexity of human physiology. Mayo Clinic has pioneered bioprinted skin models to simulate diseases like eczema. Dr. Saranya Wiles uses these models to test treatments and understand disease progression. Beyond disease modeling, researchers are exploring bioprinting's potential to manufacture human tissue and organs. Dr. Kevin Dicker said, "Our goal is to print organs and tissue on demand, easing the strain on organ donation systems globally." Dr. David Lott's team is creating bioprinted implants to replace damaged portions of the larynx and trachea, offering hope for patients with respiratory disorders. Despite its promise, bioprinting faces challenges. Building functional organs requires intricate networks of blood vessels and capillaries to deliver oxygen and nutrients, a hurdle yet to be overcome on a large scale. Integration with the human body without rejection remains another significant obstacle for bioprinted tissues. As researchers push the boundaries of what's possible, 3D bioprinting holds the potential to transform healthcare, offering new hope for patients awaiting life-saving treatments. Keep visiting Daddy Medi for further updates on research-oriented news and subscribe to our channel for more content.